Okay, so now if you have to find Romberg's logarithm for this function, which is decent size, and then you have a and b, and then max level you're trying to go is still like 3. For ease of working, I've kept it till 3. I will show you every single level how to do it. Right. We just get here, we write Romberg and x 3 plus 2x plus 1. We just write it sequentially. 3, and then just like that we'll go through all of them. Some of them would be 0 because of how the table is made, and then a lot of them will have these values, and then you can add it all together, and then you get the final result as 2.25. so it gives you the whole table as well as the final result. But obviously this is not a built-in function, so you have to install it, and I will show you how to install it. Okay, so to install it, it is very simple. You just go directly to this GitHub link, which the link is in the description. You look for this like Romberg TNS file. It's in the description. So basically, click on download raw file, and we'll download it onto your PC. And then also you have to install a student software if you have not installed it already. If you have a Mac, you click on the Mac option, first option, but if you have Windows, the third option, and then you download it and install it, and this is how the student software actually looks like. And then to install the file onto your calculator, what you have to do is first of all, just connect the calculator to the PC using the USB cable, the same cable you use it for charging it. Right. You look for the document toolbox, and then Content Explorer, and then the new file which you have like downloaded onto your system. Look it up, and then it will show up as like this. If your calculator is connected, you double click that, and then go to mylib, and just drag and drop Romberg to my library, and then it might not ask you anything. For me, it's asking, so I will just say yes to all, and just like that, it's installed onto your PC. Okay, so now after installing it on your calculator, it's very simple to use it. You have two methods to actually use it on your calculator. First method is very simple. You go to browse, click on my library, and look for the function you just downloaded. It's called Romberg, and then press menu, check syntax and store, and then click on run, and then over here you can write the same way which we did in the beginning. Press enter, it gives you a table and the final result. And a little more different method is, and a much recommended method is, instead to create a new document, add calculator, and over here go to menu, go actions, library, refresh the libraries, and then you can go make a library shortcut, create library shortcut, and then name the file which you just downloaded. So its name was Romberg, and then call it any name which you will be using it to access it. So let's say something easy, let's just say R, right? And that's it. That's all it takes to create it. And then press R, and as soon as you press dot, it will show you the name, right? And then you use it in the similar fashion, just the calling name is a little different. Gives you the table and the final result. And this is a much better method, because you can have multiple methods in just like one document file. Let's say if you want to have a bisection method, Simpson method, Romberg's method, secant method, all the computational methods, if you want to have in one single file, you can just install it in this one file, and then also you can like save it as computational methods, and that's it, and you can access it anytime you want, and that will be it. And then also you can look at different computational method scripts which I have created, right, which you can like download and access very easily in a similar way. Okay, thank you.